Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product. This is a beach cart. As you can see, we filled it up with lots of things. We have two chairs here and a cooler over there with food and some drink, an umbrella, some towels and other stuff. And this is working really well. I've been using this, I believe, like almost 2 years. You can see it has really nice large tires and they work really well on the sand. It doesn't stuck, it is really easy to move around, and the handle is very easy. You can just, once you pull this, it just comes and it gets stuck here. Once you are done, you just can push this inside, it goes inside, and the tires has lock. If you want to lock it, you can lock, and they are turning 360 for better maneuver. This works really well. If we didn't have this, I had to carry all these things, so this is really useful, not just for beach. If you are going for a picnic or other activities, this cart is really useful. I definitely suggest getting one. Thank you for watching.